Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some vintage rustic classic home decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Vintage rustic classic home decor combines timeless charm with the warm, weathered appeal of rustic style. Here are some tips to achieve this look. Neutral color palette. Stick to whites, creams, soft grays, and earthy tones like beige, sage green, and muted blues. Add warmth with accents in deep brown, rust, or burgundy. Weathered furniture. Use vintage wooden furniture with distressed finishes or clip paint for a rustic esque feel. Mix classic styles like wingback chairs or clawfoot tables with rustic textures. Textural layers. Add softness with crochet or knit blankets, lace curtains, and vintage rugs. Incorporate burlap, linen, or leather for added rustic charm. Antique accents. Decorate with vintage clocks, candlesticks, picture frames, and mirrors. Include heirloom items like china, brush decor, or crystal pieces for a classic touch. Rustic wooden elements. Use reclaimed wood for beams, shelves, or furniture. Consider a wooden coffee table or sideboard with visible grain or natural imperfections. Decorative lighting. Incorporate vintage style candeliers, lanterns, or addition bulb fixtures. Opt for warm tone lighting to create a cozy atmosphere. Natural elements. Add greenery with potted plants, dried flowers, or fox arrangements in vintage vases. Use stone, wicker, and rattan for decor or furniture accents. Layered wall art. Hang vintage paintings, botanical prints, or family heirloom portraits. Mix gallery walls with antique frames for a cluttered effect. Classic patterns. Use checks, stripes, or florals in your upholstery, curtains, or cushions. Opt for natural or pastel shades to maintain a cohesive look. Functional storage. Incorporate vintage trunks, wicker baskets, or wooden crates for stylish storage solutions. Use open shelving to display classic crockery, books, or rustic decor. Start with a timeless foundation. Use neutral wall colors like off-white, taupe, or light grey to create a calm backdrop. Choose wooden or stone flooring for a natural, rustic vibe. Incorporate vintage furniture. Hunt for antique or thrived pieces whose character, like a distressed dresser, farmhouse dining table, or craftwood chairs. Mix classic silhouettes like Queen Anne or French style furniture with weathered finishes. Add rustic textures. Use reclaimed wood for shelving, headboards, or coffee tables. Incorporate materials like burlap, jute, or woven seagrass for rugs, placemats, or decor accents. Layer soft textiles. Drop crochet or lace tablecloths and throws over furniture. Choose vintage floral or thrive patterns for curtains, cushions, or bedding. Highlight natural light. Use sheer light filtering curtains to brighten the space. Arrange mirrors with vintage frames to reflect light and create an open feel. Use antique decor pieces. Decorate with old books, candelabras, wall lamps, or vintage clocks. Display china, porcelain figurines, or brush vases for a touch of elegance. Add rustic greenery. Place dried lavender, eucalyptus, or wildflowers in mason jars or galvanized metal pictures. Incorporate potted plants like ferns or succulents for freshness. Choose elegant lighting. Hang a crystal chandelier or old iron fixture in dining or living rooms. Add table lamps with fabric shades for a cozy, classic ambience. Incorporate statement walls. Use shiplap, breadboard, or exposed brick for a rustic feature wall. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.